This is the beginning stage of producing our mint dreams. We're mixing together white chocolate, cocoa butter, mint oil, vanilla bean, Himalayan sea salt, and we're making it into a liquid state, which we're going to form into cylinders, which go into the extruder to produce the shapes we need to enrobe.
After we mix our mint ganache, we chill it enough so that we can extrude it through this machine. We put the solidified ganache into this cylinder, and there is a pusher in here that is driven by a screw pump that pushes the ganache out of the front opening here. And then the cutter, when I turn that on, it will cut the size piece that I need. And we're making mint dreams right now. So I'm going to need a 10-gram weight for that. And so I use my scale to weigh out the piece size. And once it's set and I have the right piece size, I don't usually have to readjust anything. It just keeps going until this is completely empty in the tube.
This is the third step in our process of making our mint dreams. We're going to enrobe the mint dream center in chocolate, not once but twice. We're going to apply about 10 grams of chocolate to it, tempered chocolate, and it's a 60% dark chocolate. What's occurring is, as the chocolate goes through the chocolate waterfall, there is some vibration within the wire belt, which evens out the chocolate. There's a blower, which is set to remove a portion of the chocolate and smooth it out. It then goes through the cooling tunnel. The cooling tunnel brings the chocolate down to a temperature so the chocolate hardens up so we can handle it. As it comes out the other end, we're going to put a second coat on it. We'll flip them over and apply another 5 grams of chocolate. This is the end of the second step, where the chocolate has received the second coat of chocolate. There's now 10 grams of chocolate on each piece, approximately. The cooling tunnel is cooling it down to about 16 Celsius. So now it has its, the chocolate is hard enough to handle, to put on the trays. The next step is going to go to packaging. And depending on how we package it, for example, whether it's a 4-piece, 6-piece, or 12-piece, we'll put it in the appropriate package and